Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat birthday. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat birthday not working, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will enter to this window of Snapchat. When you will find this page of app info, you will click first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about update app. You will search about Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.